Hi guys, Francis from JoeCo here, and this is a video tutorial on the JoeCo Control app for Mac and PC and its use in studio mode. So the product I'm using with the JoeCo Control app today is the BBWR24MP, which is a product from JoeCo's Blue Box range. I've got it turned on and connected to my Mac via a USB 2 cable, so I should be ready to go. When first opening the JoeCo Control app, it will be set up in live mode. We will need to change it to studio mode by selecting studio mode from the mode select window. When using your JoeCo product in a studio environment, this is the mode that should be used. In this mode, connect your main studio monitors to outputs 1 and 2 of the system, and you can optionally connect an alternative set of monitors to outputs 3 and 4. Studio mode allows you to create 4 different mixes. In each of these mixes, you have control of PFL, solo, mute, panning, and volume adjustment for every single different channel. Each mix consists of 24 input channels and 4 stereo stems from the DAW. With this, you can create mixed stems of drums, rhythm instruments, backing vocals and percussion, and then vary the relative proportions to each monitor mix for individual headphone users whilst mixing in the live low latency mic inputs as well. Each of these mixes are routed to a different set of output channels, so adjusting channels on here will affect what is sent to those output channels. Your main mix is routed to outputs 1 and 2 or 3 and 4 of the system if you have an alternate set of monitors connected, and also the front headphone socket. Mix 2 is routed to outputs 5 and 6 of the system and will typically be used for driving a separate headphone amp for the musicians. Mix 3 is routed to outputs 7 and 8 of the system and will also typically be used for driving a separate headphone amp. Mix 4 is routed to the back headphone socket and outputs 9 and 10 on some systems. In studio mode, you also have a monitor mix master window. To see the full range of features this window offers, expand it by pressing the arrow. This window gives you master control and AFL for all of the 4 mixes, gives you talkback control, and also some features for use on your main mix. The monitor controls control what signal is being sent to the studio monitors and front headphone socket. The stereo and mono buttons select between mono and stereo. The left and right buttons select just the left or right monitor output channels. The rev button will reverse your mix, sending the left channel to the right monitor and vice versa. The alt button will switch your master output from your main set of studio monitors on outputs 1 and 2 to your alternate monitors on outputs 3 and 4. The dim button will reduce the volume of your monitor outputs. The mute button will mute your monitors and the front headphone sockets. These AFL buttons allow after fade listen for each of the headphone mixes to monitor what these mixes sound like to their users. To use talkback control, plug a microphone into an input channel and select that as your talkback channel. If I plug a microphone into channel 21, then this should be selected as 21. I can then choose which mix I would like to send talkback to. To enable talkback, hold down the talkback button. To permanently enable talkback, press talkback latch. As you can see, when talkback is enabled, on channel 21 of the mic line input controls, there is a red circle circling that channel is unavailable for input. on anything other than TalkBack. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and come and visit us again.